strategy nyo para manalo?
Ay siyempre sa Arimboy High School natuto kami mag-teamwork and yun lang ang pinaka-importante sa amin, teamwork. Kaya thank you kay Sir July, Sir Mark and other coaching staff. Sana manalo kami ngayon. God bless.
Ang strategy nyo para manalo?
Buhaya lang po. Imbis tapos stay humble. Stay humble and
Sa tingin mo, sino mananalo? CHBA or AHS?
For me, actually, kung sino man ang manalo sa kanila, it's totally fine. But I'm the representative ng school, which is Arimbay High School, so I will vote for the Arimbay High School. So, padayanan, shout out to one of the representatives of Arimbay High School, which is Jason Persia and Efren Nueva from our stand then. So, yun.
Two points, Flores. Flores again, 2 points. Flores again, 2 points.